Do you have somewhere nearby in nature that you can visit daily, preferably daily, if not at least 3 or 4 times a week, somewhere where you can just sit and contemplate, where all of your worries and stresses can be left at home? And if you haven't got a place, I highly, highly recommend you go out and you search somewhere and make it your sanctuary. And even when I'm traveling, I really try to find somewhere. It took me a while in some places, but there's always somewhere. And make it a habit to go there as often as you can. Feel the breeze on your skin. Notice the colours, any sounds of birds, of rustling of the trees. I love autumn in England. Give yourself at least 10, 15, 20 minutes to just sit quietly. Just notice thoughts coming up, and perhaps even ideas of what you'd like to do to follow the breadcrumbs of your heart's desires.